Our tree inventory map tools allow you to add trees to a map as well as other shapes to facilitate communication both internally between employees and also with clients. To load the inventory map, click on this link here in the client profile page. The database will fetch any existing inventory details and display them to you on the map. To display info about any individual tree or feature, click on it and an info window will be popped up. If you have photos stored for this tree, you can click on the thumbnail and a large slideshow will be displayed. Click on this X in the top corner to close the slideshow. Click on the X in the top corner of the info window to close the info window. There is a tree list along the left over here to provide you quick links to find a tree. If you click on the icon, it'll pop up the info window for that particular tree. Click on the small X to close it. If you need to delete a tree from the inventory, click on the little trash can icon. You will be prompted to confirm you want to delete the tree. We're going to say no, that was an accident. Use this toolbar at the top to add trees or other inventory items. Let's look at each individual button in the toolbar. The first icon is a hand that indicates that you're not drawing anything. That is the default behavior when you first load the map. The next icon is how you add a marker, also known as a tree in our system. The next icon is to draw a circle. This Z is to draw a segmented line. The fifth option is to draw a polygon, and the last option is to draw a square or a rectangle. Let's start with adding a tree. When you click on this toolbar button, you can see that it highlights that toolbar. Click on the map where we want the tree to land. Give it a species name, a DBH if we wish, any diagnosis details if we want to add them, a condition detail if we'd like to add that. We can also upload images by clicking here and navigating to an image on our computer. When you're done, you can click Save to save the tree to the map. You can see that when it's done, we've given it the next available number in our inventory. We don't want that tree, so let's go down here and delete it. The next tool in our system is a circle. Let's draw a circle right here. Let's give this a title and a color and a description. When we click Save, it's written to the database and our planting area is saved. If we don't exactly like how this came out, we can click on it to open up the info window. Let's change this to say planting area for oak. I like green better than pink, so let's go with that. And let's put a note in here that we want a 100-gallon tree. When we click Save Changes, that information is written back to the database. I also think that area is a little bit too big. Let's narrow down our planting site. That looks about right. Save the changes, and there we are. The next tool is the segmented line. So in my house we have a trail that starts about here and goes to here and then angles up, cuts over, back down, back up, over here, and then finishes right about there. So we're going to say this is the walking trail. We'll give it a color of red to help it show up easily. And this is the trail from front to backyard. When we save, you can see it leaves the line on the map. If you decide that you don't want one of your overlays, you can open up the info window and click Delete this map feature. You'll be confirmed to make sure this isn't an accident. Let's go ahead and delete this. We don't need that. The next drawing tool is a polygon. So as you start clicking on the map, it'll drop points. Click on the starting point to close your polygon. Let's make this yellow. We save our notes and the polygon is there. Again, if we want to change the shape, click on that button. We can drag this out to make changes as needed. If you don't like a change that you've made, you can click this back button to take it back. Once we're happy with it, we'll save the changes. This is completes our tour of adding shapes to the map. We hope you enjoy it.